The growing global demand for timber and logs challenges numerous seaports around the world, including countries like Australia, USA and New Zealand, which handle enormous export volumes. For decades, exported timber and logs are fumigated with the widely criticised and globally condemned phytosanitary agent methyl bromide. We are talking thousands of tonnes annually in a single port. Methyl bromide usage has a destructive and catastrophic impact on the planet and its protective ozone layer. Even when decomposed, bromide is still a dangerous substance that accumulates in our bodies and the environment. For years, research programs have been investing tens of millions of dollars into finding a safer and environmentally sustainable alternative. And now it's finally here. It's called EDN.
So what's EDN?
EDN is the industry trade name for ETHANEDINITRILE, a cyanide-based fumigant which is highly effective in the control of insects, weeds, nematodes and other pests. It consists of carbon and nitrogen, which are abundant in nature.
Cyanide? That's a poison, right?
Yes, all fumigants are poisonous by nature. However, unlike methyl bromide, EDN breaks down rapidly into harmless substances. It doesn't accumulate in your body or have any lasting residual effects, making it effectively harmless in small doses over prolonged periods of time. There are numerous antidotes available on the market for acute exposure to EDN, making it one of the safest fumigants.
Is it actually used somewhere, or it's just a lab experiment?
As of 2022, EDN is already being effectively used for timber and log fumigation in a number of forward-thinking countries, including Australia, New Zealand, Korea, Russia, Malaysia and Czech Republic. Other countries are soon to follow as the registration is pending in USA, Canada, Uruguay, South Africa, Israel, Turkey, India and the European Union, just to name a few. It's been used for many years as a pre-plant soil fumigant by farmers too, to treat turf grass, golf courses, stadiums and even edible commodities such as melons and strawberries.
But how about my job? Does this change everything?
Don't worry. The fumigation process itself is the same, in fact, easier. EDN doesn't need to be heated before application and can be applied safely in colder weather. EDN dilutes much quicker in the air, making the ventilation process faster and safer.
Is it really worth it to replace one fumigant by another one?
The global research community and government authorities are convinced of it. Methyl bromide usage has a destructive impact on the planet, and even when decomposed, bromide is still a dangerous substance that accumulates in our bodies and the environment. EDN does neither of those things. It is a much safer and environmentally sustainable solution. So will you give it a chance? Get in contact with the team of technical specialists at the Draslovka Services Group. Learn more about EDN approval in your country and get accurate, up-to-date information to make an informed decision about the future of the environment and your health.